Ooh, this is good. This is really, really good. It has some light smokiness. It has some light foresty kind of vibe. Sweet. Oh, this is good. This is Blue Aceh. Now we have another oud oil from Indonesia. Indonesian oud oils are very, very lovely, very sweet, very light, very calming. They are good for beginners. If you are a beginner in oud oils, this is which you should try or start with. So this is an oud oil from Sultania Aromas, and this is called Blue Aceh. This is a region in Indonesia, and it mostly have a very beautiful scent profiles for oud oils. So this is the bottle. This is a sample bottle I got from Sultania Aromas. Thanks the brother who sent me these samples. So I'm going to pick up a new stick, this floss stick. So it's very easy to put this in these small bottles. So just use this tip over here, and I am going to use it on my front of my palm. Ooh, this is good. This is really, really good. It has some light smokiness. It has some light foresty kind of vibe. Sweet. Oh, this is good. This is Blue Aceh. Light caramel, light chocolatey kind of vibe in the background. Light burnt caramel kind of sweetness. This is really, really refreshing. This is, I think, I really enjoyed this one. This one is really, really good. It really reminds me of Pontiac from Imperial Oud, which had some caramel, chocolatey kind of, thick vibe. But this is on the lighter side. It is not like a thick, dark chocolate. It is like a caramel kind of light burnt chocolate. This is kind of smell what I'm getting over here. Oh, I really love sniffing this oil. So this is also a good option for summers. If you are into oud oils, or you just started using oud oils, you are a Westerner, you are from USA or Europe, you are not introduced to oud oils, these oud oils are the ones you should start with. So this is from Indonesia, Aceh. The other one was from Malaysia, which I reviewed in the previous video. Very lovely, very, very lovely profile. So this is kind of like you are coming out of a forest filled with chocolate caramel, burnt chocolate caramel, and it is raining very lightly. The breeze is blowing. It is not very cold or very warm. It is kind of like a breezy kind of situation. So this is all the smells you are getting. Maybe some burned wood from somewhere very far away, and some caramel and some chocolate or something like this. So this is how it actually has an accord. So you cannot pinpoint each note in these kind of oud oils. Now it is getting more sweet and syrupy rather than chocolatey, or kind of like burnt chocolate kind of smell. Okay, so now I'm going to give some rating to it. So I would recommend it for summer or winters. Whenever you can wear it, it would be great. I think it is good even for summers, but I think I would prefer this one in winters. So from the rating point of view, from performance, I would rate for the scent profile. Scent profile I really love, so I am going to give it 8 out of 10. This is a very good scent profile for an Aceh Indonesian oil. This is called Blue Aceh because it has blue vibes, or it has refreshing vibes. Okay, so 8 out of 10 for this oud oil, and I would give performance, I think it would be like 6 out of 10. These oils, they are not going to stay very, very long on your skin. So I have not tested them or wore them last night, so I don't know how long they are going to last, but this is my estimate that they are going to last like maybe 2 or 3 or 4 hours max. No, not more than that. This has more punch, this has more power, it is more, it is creating a bubble around me. Now even this far away, my hand is far away, like 1 feet away, I'm still getting some whiffs of this oil. So this is my review about Blue Aceh from Sultania Aromas. And if you are a Oud lover like me, do leave a comment in the comment section below what you love about Oud oils and which is your favorite Oud oil. So I will make another video or maybe poll to see which Oud oils you people like and love. And I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.